In this video, you will be learning about the internet and what you can do online. This video is for beginners. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow, which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Our profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. With billions of websites online today, there is a lot of information on the internet. Search engines make this information easier to find. All you have to do is type one or more keywords and the search engine will look for relevant websites. Have a look at our video about search engines to find out more. Short for electronic mail, email is a way to send and receive messages across the internet. Almost everyone who uses the internet has their own email account. This is because you'll need an email address to do just about anything online, from online banking to creating a Facebook account. Social networking websites are another way to connect and share with your family and friends. Social networks make it easier to connect and share with many people at the same time. Facebook is the world's largest social networking site with more than 1 billion users worldwide. Chat and instant messaging are short messages sent and read in real time, like a text, allowing you to converse more quickly and easily than email. These are used when people are online, so your message can be read straight away. By comparison, emails won't be seen until recipients check their inboxes. Examples of instant messaging applications include Yahoo Messenger and Google Hangouts. Some sites like Gmail and Facebook even allow you to chat within your web browser. There are many sites that allow you to watch videos and listen to music. For example, you can watch millions of videos on YouTube or listen to your favourite radio stations online. Other services like Netflix, BBC iPlayer and Disney Plus allow you to watch movies and TV shows. You can also use the internet to complete many everyday tasks and errands. For example, you can manage your bank account, pay your bills and shop for just about anything. The main advantage here is convenience. Rather than going from place to place, you can do all these tasks at home. Remember, these are just a few of the things you'll be able to do online. We have plenty of videos here on our YouTube channel that will help you learn more about connecting to the internet and using the web. If you like this video, please like, share it and subscribe to our channel. Let us know what you want help on next by leaving us a comment below.